Hi, what's up everyone? Nozzle Machinery here. In this video, we are going to take a look at our pneumatic crimp machine for aerosol sprayer, usually perfume bottles. Okay, the first thing you need to do when you take out this machine from the package, you're gonna install the crimp mold. The size of this crimp mold is 15mm. That means the neck of your bottle will also be around 50mm. Installation is really easy. Okay, it's down, and then the next, you're gonna adjust the height of the working platform, okay, according to the height of your bottle. In here, we are going to loosen the platform here. Then you use this wheel to control the height of the platform. Once it reaches to the height of your bottle, you are going to tighten the platform. Okay. Next, you are going to connect the machine to your air compressor. Push this air switch to the left. Okay. Now you can actually test this machine with the pedal controller here. So just press down and hold the pedal controller as long as you want. Once I release the pedal controller, it will go back to the normal state. Okay. You place your bottle on the platform here. The sprayer goes inside this crimp tool. Right now I don't have a bottle around me, so I'll just explain it. And then here we have two movable wheels. Okay, this is used to adjust the crimp of the bottle. Okay, just play with it until you find your bottle is perfectly crimped. That's it. That's our pneumatic crimp tool for perfume bottles. Make sure you also go to visit our website. We will see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, there is one more thing that I forgot to mention. If you ever find your machine stuck, you can always release the air pressure by using this handle here. Just pull out this handle, okay? That's it. That's all about this machine. We will see you in the next one.